I'm sick of not being able to see people in my blind spot, so I decided to go ahead and get these OEM blind spot mirrors. I don't know if you can see from here, but the outside edge has a convex part. So I'm going to show you how to pop the old ones out, pop the new ones in, and yeah. So first thing you want to do is just adjust this mirror so it's facing all the way in. Like so. This is so you can get your hands in here, because essentially all it does is you just grab this corner and it pops right out. Just like that. Then you got two wires here for the heated mirror. Just want to make sure not to pull too hard or break those. Okay, old one's out. Pop the wires onto the new one. Make sure everything lines up properly. And then just push. And there you go. Adjust it back out, make sure I don't break anything. And that's how you replace mirrors on a B6 and B7 A4. It's difficult to tell right now from this angle. But this is going to be beautiful, because I found myself to keep being like leaning forward in the seat just to see it, double check to see if anyone was in my blind spot.